Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be taking you to my candle making class where I will be showing you how I got to make this candle that you see currently. This class is hosted by the Chandler class at Battery Breweries, Victoria Island, Lagos. Before we dive in, if you are yet subscribed to my channel, this is the best time for you to click the subscribe button. Don't forget to like, comment and share. That said, let's get right into the class. Once I settled in, I was given a branded glass and a mixing jug for the class. The next stop was the fragrance selection. All attendees got to choose from a variety of perfume oils available. I, on one hand, settled for a soothing, fruity scents. Not a fan of perfumes with heavy smell, so this helped to guide my decision. On this table are several other candle making materials like the wick sticker, colors and a lot more. The wicks were of two types. After I had made my choice, I stuck it in my glass and had to wait a little bit for my wax. Once I got it, I had to wait some more for it to cool down before mixing in my colors and fragrance. This was me trying to pick out the colors.
Alright, so here are the colors that we have available today. You can, the black is more gray than black. Yes, exactly. Okay, so pour that into your wax now, and then use the spoon to dissolve it. Wait, light agree with you. Yes. Let's say, ask her to, sorry, excuse me, can I see what your green looks like? See? And it might be a little bit lighter than that one, so it's fine. Let's make it darker. This has not yet. I don't know why. Nobody has ever done green or white. These are not all the candles. Maybe this? That's not green. We used to have 4 points. We have 4. Okay. How about this? There's no right or wrong answer. There is right or wrong. Also, if you want to drink, your first drink is free, so we'll come around and okay. No, you have to wait for the
this point, I had to go socialize with the other attendees. I just could not stay in a place to wait for my wax to get cold. I cannot.
Half, yeah?
Yes, half.
And this is the final result. I definitely look forward to lighting this up at home. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed. Like, comment, share with your friends, and I'll see you next time. Bye.